Yeah, hello guys. Today for the Bitcoin price, what is happening in the market presently? We have seen a whole lot of huge correction in which many people are not expecting, including I myself. I was not expecting such correction. So in this video, what are we talking about? We are telling you the present state of the market, what happened to my trades, what happened to my portfolio, am I still holding on to it, have I sold them, is the bull on over? We'll be telling you everything right in this video. Yeah, we also told you that our minimum target is 100,000 US dollar for this bull run, though we're expecting the bull run to be 2021, which was last year, but it didn't hit the peak of the bull run. Presently, I still believe that the bull run is not over, but all the G's are going to be, you are going to be informed about all the details even in this video. Please ensure you subscribe to the channel, click the like buttons, notification bell, ensure you share this video with your friends and with your loved one, and let's get straight to the video. Don't forget, in our previous video we were telling you about this chart and the significant point about it. All this falling wedge that happened right here and the breakage, what happened, the second falling wedge that happened right here, and the breakage, what happened there about the huge movement. And we also tell you about the happening about this falling wedge, and we are expecting the same thing that happen here to also happen here, but it's end up breaking downward instead of upward. That's why we're always telling you that you wait for the parts for the chart to form before you take action on the point. So looking at it, it didn't break, and it also broke our this yellow support line that we were telling you in our previous video.
This is a key level for us to hold. That is 50,400 US dollar is a key level for us to hold in the immediate short time. We must not have a daily candle close below this point for us to remain bullish.
We told you that it's a critical point to watch. It's also, it broke that support, and we saw the huge correction after the breakage of the support. So what are we now watching for presently? We can look at the extension of this line. You can look for the extension of this falling wedge. If it is being extended, we can still have another falling wedge looking at it like this. So we can take it like this as the extension of that falling wedge. So don't forget, falling wedge is always a bullish pattern, and it has a price target of the top of the wedge being the target of the wedge. So, and the top of this wedge is showing around 69,000 US dollar, which is the top of this falling wedge. So looking at it, we can extend this line like this. So being the top of the falling wedge, it can be extended like this, having a bigger falling wedge instead of this one. So looking at it with the extension, if it break out upward, we can have something like this. We can have something like this, test this line, test this support, and come upward to the target here. So nevertheless, there is a point we have to watch for, is if it's breaking out of this resistance point. There is a point to watch out for, and what is that point? Is this point at $53,500 approximately, because of the previous resistance here, support and resistance here, resistance and support here also. So that is a huge point we have to pay attention to as it breaking out the point. So we have to watch out for 53,500 US dollar. As it's breaking that point, we know that it has much and higher tendency of meeting with the target of 69,000 US dollar. So looking at it, another point we have to pay attention to even is in this video for the bearish scenario. If it's breaking out of this place, if it's breaking out of this line, we know that we have to pay much attention, because it might be very dangerous for the whole scenario if it's breaking out of these points. So this is a point to watch out for, and this point is between around 39,000 US dollar. So if you are having any breakage below this point, if he is having a daily close below 39,000 US dollar, we should take caution and know that we are exiting any trade you are opening. So you are exiting the trade if it's breaking below 39,000 US dollar. Between 39 to 41,000 US dollar is this range, because of the support and the resistance at this critical movement. So we have to pay attention to those points. So don't forget, in our previous video we're telling you some things about we are telling you some things about this CMA gap chart. So if you have not watched the video, you can still watch it. That's towards the end of the video. We are telling you about the CMA gap. So let's go to this chart straightforward right now and show you what we are telling you about it. The CMA gap. Okay, yeah. Yeah, we were telling you about this CME gap, that every CME gap have tendency of getting filled at one point or the other. And we'll tell you the last CME gap that is yet to be filled. And the CME gap is around 30, between 32 to 34,000 US dollar. So it has not yet filled that gap. Personally, I'm still watching for that gap to be filled, though it is not a must. But my analysis and my prediction is that this bull run will get to the peak of the run, then as the correction in the midst of the bear run is coming to fill the gap. So that's about my portfolio. I was telling you, am I still holding on to my portfolio? Let me first talk about my trades. I have a lot of trades that got liquidated by the midst of the correction that happened, the drop in the price. So at what point am I opening a fresh trade? I'm going to notify you guys. So let's go to the video. Let's go to the charts. So what point am I opening a new trade? I'm going to be opening a new trade, or I'm going to be opening a new trade by the time we are breaking out of this blue resistance point. If you are breaking out of this blue resistance point right here, if you are breaking this resistance point, so I know that it will be breaking out anywhere from here. If it's breaking upward, so I'm taking a trade as at the breakage upward with a daily close above this blue resistance point. I'll be taking the buying position and holding it. Then if I'm taking this trade, a point I'm watching for is this resistance line too. I might need to close part of it and waiting for it to close above this resistance point before adding more to the trade. Albeit the price target for this falling wedge is the top of the wedge around 69,000 US dollar. Albeit personally, I still believe that the bull run is not yet over, because we are still forming a higher high and a lower high. You can see we have, if you zoom out, we have a low right here, we have a low, we have a higher low, a higher low, a higher low. So we believe that it's not yet over, and our minimum target for the bull run still remain 100,000 US dollar minimum target. Albeit we still have analysis showing us about 200,000 US dollar even in this bull run. Please stay tuned to the channel and ensure you subscribe to the channel. Share it with your friends and your loved one. And as always, guys, Jesus Christ is Lord, and stay profitable.